Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter Carbon and its compounds. Carbon is important to us both in elemental form and in combined form. All living systems of this universe, such as human beings, animals, birds, insects, and plants, are made up of carbon compounds, such as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, hormones, and nucleic acids. Paper, plastic, and rubber are also made up of carbon compounds. A large number of things we use or consume in our daily life are made up of carbon compounds. For example, various food items we eat are made up of carbon compounds. Similarly, clothes, cotton, wool, nylon, terylene are made up of carbon compounds. Fuels like wood, coal, kerosene, liquefied petroleum gas we use to cook food, and petrol and diesel we use for running vehicles are made up of carbon compounds. Material we use for cleaning such as soap and detergents, and most of the medicines we use to protect ourselves from diseases are made up of carbon compounds. But Earth's crust has only 0.02% carbon in the form of minerals, and atmosphere has 0.03% carbon dioxide. In spite of this small amount of carbon available in nature, carbon plays an important role in our life, and there are number of carbon compounds. To understand this, let's discuss very first point, that is valency. Valency is combining capacity of an element which depends upon number of electrons present in outermost shell. Electrons present in outermost shell is known as valence electrons. Now what is this combining capacity? That is tendency to lose electron, gain electron and share electron. Why there is loss, gain or sharing of electron? So that they can attain stable electronic configuration of nearest noble gas. Elements forming ionic compounds achieve this by either gaining or losing electrons from outermost shell. For example, sodium chloride, NaCl, sodium atomic number 11. Electronic configuration इसकी क्या है? 281. Now, after losing one electron, sodium become cation, Na1 positive. Now its electronic configuration 2, 8. Now it attain stable electronic configuration of 2, 8, 10, that is neon. Okay. Cl atomic number क्या है? 17. Electronic configuration 2, 8, 7. Cl wants to gain one electron to become stable. Okay, now Cl after gaining one electron become anion, Cl negative. Now its electronic configuration क्या हो जाएगी? 2, 8, 8. Total 18 electron. 18 electron means that argon. That is nearest noble gas. Now sodium lose one electron and chlorine gain one electron. It means there is a transfer of electron from sodium to Cl. And the bond formed between sodium and chlorine is called ionic bond, and the compound is called ionic compound. In case of carbon, atomic number of carbon is 6. Its electronic configuration 2, 4. Last shell electron 4. It means its valence electron कितने हो गए? 4. Now carbon needs to gain or lose 4 electron to attain noble gas configuration. कार्बन को नोबल बनने के लिए, नोबल गैस कॉन्फ़िगरेशन अटेन करने के लिए या तो 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या करने हैं, लूज करने हैं. अगर 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज कर देगा तो वो क्या बन जाएगा, हीलियम नोबल गैस की कॉन्फ़िगरेशन अटेन कर लेगा. इफ कार्बन गेन 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन, अगर ये गेन कर लेता है 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन तो क्या बन जाएगा, 2 8. 2 8 कौन सी नोबल गैस कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है, नियॉन की. बट if carbon gain 4 electron, carbon when gain 4 electron क्या बन जाएगा, C4 negative. Okay, now in this case total electrons 10 electrons. C4 negative में protons कितने, 6 protons. Proton 6 and 10 electrons. It means it's difficult for the nucleus with 6 protons to hold on 10 electrons. Now, if carbon lose 4 electron, form C4 positive, cation. But it requires a large amount of energy to remove 4 electron and leaving behind now 6 protons in the nucleus holding only 2 electrons. It means it is difficult for carbon to lose electron or gain electron. Now, to attain noble gas configuration, it means carbon share its valence electrons, electrons present in outermost shell with other atoms of carbon or with atoms of other elements. Now, a chemical bond formed between two atoms by sharing of electrons present in outermost shell. The sharing of valence electrons between two atoms so that each atom acquire stable electronic configuration of the nearest noble gas is called covalent bond. शेयरिंग के बाद जो बॉन्डिंग बनेगी दैट बॉन्ड इज नोन एज कोवलेंट बॉन्ड. और शेयरिंग के बाद हर एक एटम क्या कर लेगा, स्टेबल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन नियरेस्ट नोबल गैस की अचीव कर लेगा. अब कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हर एटम ने कंट्रीब्यूट किए हैं शेयरिंग के लिए ताकि वो स्टेबल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन अटेन कर ले, दैट इज नोन एज कोवेलेंसी. दैट इज नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कंट्रीब्यूटेड बाय ईच एटम for sharing is called covalency. Before discussing formation of covalent bond in carbon compounds, let's start with the simple molecule H2. What is atomic number of hydrogen? 1. It means its electronic configuration 1. Only 1 electron present in K shell. Okay, it means carbon require 1 more electron to complete K shell, to complete duplet. Now, 1 hydrogen requires 1 electron to complete K shell or to complete duplet. And next hydrogen atom in hydrogen molecule, 2 hydrogen atoms are present. Again, it requires 1 electron to complete K shell. Now, 2 hydrogen atoms share 1 electron each and form the molecule of hydrogen. Hydrogen 1 electron in outermost shell, electron in outermost shell. यहाँ पे शेयरिंग हो जाएगी. Now this hydrogen complete K shell हो गया इसका duplet. Again complete K shell and duplet complete. It means now each hydrogen atom attain stable electronic configuration. कौन सी इसमें stable electronic configuration आ गई after sharing of 1 electron? That is helium. Helium. which has 2 electrons in cation. Now these 2 electron after sharing form hydrogen, single covalent bond हाइड्रोजन, और क्या बन गया मॉलिक्यूल H2. नेक्स्ट इज फॉर्मेशन ऑफ क्लोरीन मॉलिक्यूल. क्लोरीन का एटॉमिक नंबर 17, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन 287, K शेल, L शेल और M शेल. Now chlorine atom needs one more electron to complete octet or to complete M shell. There are 2 chlorine atom, one chlorine atom outermost shell electron 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Chlorine atom with 7 electron 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now these 2 chlorine atom share 1 electron each. After sharing 1 electron each, they form diatomic molecule of chlorine, that is Cl2. इसने शेयर किया, इसका क्या हो गया कंप्लीट ऑक्टेट. मीन्स नाउ इसकी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन क्या है 288. कौन सी नोबल गैस बन गई है आर्गन. नाउ ईच क्लोरीन एटम attain stable electronic configuration of nearest noble gas argon. ओके, तो ये क्या हो गया हमारा Cl, सिंगल बॉन्ड Cl, 1 electron of this Cl and 1 electron of this Cl after sharing form single covalent bond. The electrons participate, the pair of electron participating in bond formation is known as bond pair of electron or shared pair of electron. Shared pair of electron. And if there is no involvement in bonding, that pair is known as lone pair of electron or unshared pair of electron. Unshared pair of electron. With each Cl atom, there are 3 lone pair of electron 1 2 3, and with this Cl 1 2 3. Next is formation of ammonia molecule. Ammonia NH3 molecule. First nitrogen, atomic number of nitrogen 7, electronic configuration 2 5. Nitrogen has 5 electron in outermost shell, that is valence shell. यहाँ पे कौन सा लास्ट शेल कौन सा L शेल. नाउ ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट करने के लिए नाइट्रोजन नीड्स how many electrons? 3 electrons. It needs 3 electron to become stable or to acquire stable electronic configuration of the nearest noble gas. कौन सी nearest noble हो जाएगी after 3 electrons? Neon. Hydrogen, atomic number 1, electronic configuration 1. It means 1 electron in cation. Hydrogen needs 1 more electron to acquire stable electronic configuration of nearest noble gas, that is helium. Nitrogen needs 3 electrons and hydrogen needs 1 electron to acquire stable electronic configuration of nearest noble gas. Now, in order to complete its octet, nitrogen के last shell में कितने electron है 5, 2 5 electronic configuration. Now, in order to complete its octet, nitrogen shares 3 of its valence electrons. Nitrogen share 3 of its valence electron. जैसे valence electron इसके कितने 5. share 3 of its valence electron with 1 electron each of 3 hydrogen. 1 electron, 1 electron and 1 electron. Sharing of electron with 3 hydrogen atom, octet complete हो गया इसका. By doing so, each hydrogen atom complete duplet और ये अटेन कर रहा है stable electronic configuration of nearest noble gas helium. Pair of electron. This pair of electron is known as lone pair of electron, which is not involved in the bond formation. Pair of electron. And 1, 2 and 3 bond pair of electrons. It means nitrogen, single bond hydrogen, single bond hydrogen and single bond hydrogen with 1 lone pair of electron. Next example, formation of methane molecule CH4. CH4 carbon, atomic number of carbon 6, electronic configuration 2, 4, K shell, L shell. Now carbon needs 4 more electrons to acquire stable electronic configuration. Stable electronic configuration of neon 28 and a hydrogen atomic number 1, its electronic configuration 1, it means only 1 electron present in K shell and it needs 1 more electron to acquire stable electronic configuration of helium, that is 2. Now, carbon needs 4 electron, hydrogen needs 1 electron to acquire stable electronic configuration of the nearest noble gas. Now, in order to complete its octet, carbon share its 4 valence electron, that is electron present in outermost shell. Carbon 4 electrons in outermost shell. Carbon share its 4 valence electron with 1 electron each of 4 hydrogen atom. और क्या बना देगा molecule of methane CH4. 1 electron of this hydrogen and 1 electron of this hydrogen, 1 electron of this hydrogen. Carbon complete its octet. Okay, and hydrogen duplet. Now duplet complete. Now there are 4 covalent bond, single bond. यहाँ पे कोई lone pair of electron नहीं है. Next is formation of oxygen molecule. Oxygen O2. Oxygen atomic number 8. Electronic configuration 2, 6. K shell and L shell. Now, oxygen needs how many electrons to complete L shell or to complete octet? Needs 2 more electrons. Now, oxygen molecule, 2 oxygen atom, both needs 2 electron to complete octet. So, each oxygen atom share its 2 electron because both needs 2 electron to complete octet. So, each oxygen atom share 2 electrons with another atom of oxygen and form diatomic molecule of oxygen. Octet हो गया इसका complete. Same with this oxygen. It means यहाँ पे जो bonding है that is double covalent bond. 1 bond and 2. oxygen, double bond, oxygen. And each oxygen atom acquires stable electronic configuration of nearest noble gas, that is neon, 28. Next is formation of nitrogen molecule. Nitrogen, symbol N, atomic number 7, electronic configuration 2, 5, K shell, L shell. Now, nitrogen atom needs 3 more electrons to complete octet, to complete L shell. Now, nitrogen molecules, 2 nitrogen atom, nitrogen 2, 5 needs 3 more electron to complete octet. Nitrogen 2, 5 needs 3 more electron to complete octet. So each atom of nitrogen now share 3 electrons. 1, 2, 3. Each atom of nitrogen share 3 electrons with another atom of nitrogen. Octet complete. Octet complete. Now each atom acquires stable electronic configuration of, that is neon, 2, 8. Now in this case there is a triple bond, 1, 2 and 3. It means in nitrogen molecule, nitrogen, triple bond, nitrogen. Homatomic and heteroatomic molecules. A molecule in which there is only one kind of atoms, for example H2, Cl2, O2, N2, are known as homatomic molecules, and in which there are more than one type of atoms, that is known as heteroatomic molecules. For example, CH4, NH3 and HCl.